very happy with that. It was a 60-yard shot on a jackdaw. I was just resting against a wall so he didn't see me. So let's go collect him. On second thoughts, no, he's stuck in a bush and I can't actually get to him. So, oh well, I think I'll just have to leave him. Unfortunately. Just had a little chat with a farmer, told him about that jackdaw. He said he'll sort it out later, because it's in a place that I can't really get to. So, I don't really like leaving it there, so at least he's going to get it, so that's good. Just walked inside this barn and noticed a jackdaw was already on the floor at about 35 to 40 yards. So I'm trying to set myself up without being spotted. Just need him to stop moving so I can get a clear shot. Perfect. Literally just got here. That's it. Gently lie down without being spotted. That's about 35 yards. Yeah, about 35-40 yards, so yeah, he just presented himself and down he goes. Oh, not quite. It'll be back, just give it a second. He's there again, come on, he's dropped down. Can't shoot him while he's there. Come on. Yeah, man. No, not that side. Oh, there's another one there, but bushes might be in the way there. I think I got him. Kind of like dropped to the side, so let's go have a look. Yeah, I got it. I just wasn't 100% sure because it just dropped behind the little grass verge, but yeah, right here, down. I'm feeling a little bit peckish, so I decided to go into the back fields just to see if I can get myself a rabbit. Just stalked down here. I spooked a rabbit as I got down here, but I'm going to wait it out and see if one pops out. Hopefully it should be pretty close. Let's see how we get on. It's just a waiting game for now. See if anything comes out. Well, I didn't have to wait as long as I thought I was going to. This has only been about 10 minutes. And the milky dough is down. There we go. Didn't have to wait too long. Only around, I don't know, 10 minutes if that. 10-15 minutes. As predicted, it was only around 25-30 yards. And, well, as you saw, it dropped. So let's have a look. Right, it's lights out. Well, that's a decent start. Just got here. Magpie, had to quickly set myself down, 77 yards, straight to the back. Just had a quick look, so I thought it was stuck on the roof, but he's fallen off the back, so I'm just going to go retrieve it now. Close range, only 30 yards. Took my time on that one, it didn't even move. There's a crow which has just landed about 50 yards, but I've only just got down here, so I'm not. I haven't actually loaded my magazine. He's just in a puddle, so he keeps sticking together. Good shot on that one. Straight down. Don't usually get crows, they very rarely land around this area anyway. They're always out like about 200 yards, but this one, it's just unfortunate. Oh, I can still hear him. Here we go. Hello. I don't think she was impressed with that, was she? That was a wood pigeon at about 87, 88 yards. I know a lot of people question why shooting that, it's not doing any harm, but because the barn's right there, that's where they're going in and feeding and causing all the mess and damage, so that's why I'm doing it. So I'm just going to go retrieve it. Well, there it is. Stripped a few feathers off it, and I'll cook that one later. Clean as you like on that one. That was 77 yards. I'll collect that one now. That's 115 yards. Dial right up to that. Magpies and pigeons, not midgeons. $115 yards. So that was a 115-yard shot on that magpie. I didn't take the shot from here, I've just moved to a different spot. I've actually just gone and retrieved that magpie and disposed of it. There were quite a few pigeons in that tree as well, which were an easier shot. But I'd noticed the magpie, I could actually see its tail just flicking up like that. It was a giveaway. I know the grandmother here hates magpies, so if I get an opportunity at a magpie, which is not very often, I'm going for the magpie. 115 yard, and it just dropped. I'm very happy with that. Something I've been doing recently when doing longer range shots is when I'm taking the shot, I'm actually just peeping my head round and attach these little bubble level on. And it's surprising how much of a difference in how straight your pellet is, or your slug, when you actually level it. I know it sounds a bit stupid, but it's surprising how much difference it actually makes. So if I'm ever doing long shots like that, I'll always keep lining up, just keep making sure I'm actually straight, because a lot of the time I'm actually not. But it's definitely worth doing if you're going to shoot out to those further distances. It certainly makes a difference about where your pellet or slug is going to go. That was a relatively straightforward shot. It was about 45 yards, so I didn't have to hold too much hold over. Aim for its head, and managed to get it. It was a good shot placement round to the back of its head, so I'm not going to show you it because it is a little bit too gruesome. I don't think YouTube would be too happy with it.